Here is the model number. It's a double door freezer on the bottom. Has power to the fridge, but the display panel is not working. So here's what it looks like behind the panel. Take a picture so you know where everything connects into. Remove all these from the, they're a little, make sure you don't bend them, just pull straight out. Might take a little doing. There. Just continue. Push the tab in and pull the board as you're pushing the tab in. Again, be sure the refrigerator is unplugged. This power connector should have slipped straight downward, but there wasn't enough room, so we had to wait until we removed the board from the refrigerator. So make sure you reconnect that connection first before you put the circuit board back onto the refrigerator. We got them all through there. I don't know if you're going to hear an audible click, but yep. So, pressing those in. Now I'll just reconnect all the connections I disconnected earlier. Okay, putting the panel back on, you just want to make sure that ground wire there, oops, sorry, the ground wire there goes through the screw. Now for the test, I'm going to surge protector next time. We have noise. So it's been 24 hours and we already have ice. Actually not been quite 24 hours yet. And our temperature's almost back to normal.